Welcome back, guys, to another video. My name is Lester Diaz, and today we're going to talk about Facebook Reels bonuses. These are notifications that a lot of creators have been getting on their Facebook profiles, basically offering them massive bonuses to upload Facebook Reels. Now, if you don't know what Facebook Reels are, I'm going to link to a video below that I made where I explain exactly what Facebook Reels are and why Facebook is throwing a lot of money into Facebook Reels right now. Short form video format is taking off right now. This is why TikTok is having massive success, because videos under 60 seconds are doing extremely well. They get more views, more engagement, and people tend to like this type of videos. So just like YouTube launched YouTube Shorts, Facebook launched Facebook Reels on Facebook and also Instagram Reels. And of course, everyone is throwing money at this short form video formats because they know that there's a lot of people consuming this type of content. For that reason, Facebook has made available a massive multi-million-dollar fund to encourage creators to make Facebook Reels. And although Facebook Reels is a brand new thing and there's not really a monetization feature available specifically for Facebook Reels, what they did is basically launch these bonus programs that allow creators who qualify. You can only get invited into these programs if you're getting a lot of views on your Facebook Reels. So today I'm going to show you where to find these bonus programs, and if you qualify, what type of notification you get, so you can see exactly what are the requirements to get in and actually qualify for something like this. Now, as of right now, there's not a specific page or feature that allows you to apply for a Facebook Reels bonus program. The only way to get in is if Facebook sends you a notification to your page letting you know that you qualify for a Facebook Reels bonuses. So if you have a Facebook page right now and you're uploading a lot of 3-minute videos because you're trying to make money with your Facebook page, but you also want to qualify for this bonus programs, then I would encourage you to start uploading Facebook Reels and actually start getting some views, because if you do get a lot of views, I've seen pages getting over 100,000 views per month or more, even over 1 million views per month, getting invited into the bonuses programs because they're getting some traction with Facebook Reels. But also they have more reach, they have more engagement, because like I said, Facebook wants to compete with TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So they're pushing the algorithm to basically push all these Facebook Reels to get more reach, to be seen by more people. So right now, when it comes to getting the most reach, Facebook Reels is where it's at. And of course, that's not going to be forever. As we all know, whenever Facebook wants to launch something and promote something specifically, one specific feature, they always make it a lot easier for everyone to get in. They make it easier to get views, to get more engagement, because they want a lot of people using it. But if you want to know all the different ways that you can monetize your Facebook page, I'm going to put a link in the description below to Facebook Income School, which is my complete advanced course on how to actually grow and monetize Facebook pages. Like I said, you can check it out in the description below. All right, so with that said, what I'm going to do is to quickly jump into my computer. I want to show you my Creator Studio, and I want to show you what the bonus program offer actually looks like. All right, guys, so if you want to see whether or not you qualify for any of the Facebook Reels bonuses, then you can find that information within your Creator Studio if you go to monetization bonuses. Now, if you have something available, you should be able to see something like this. And this is Reels Play, which is one of the Facebook Reels bonuses that they offer. Now, the amount can change. It doesn't necessarily mean that you'll be able to make $35,000 from your Facebook Reels if you upload, let's say, a lot of different Facebook Reels within the first 30 days. You do have to make sure you get a lot of views to be able to reach that number. But as you can see, the maximum bonus is $35,000. So that's a lot of money. So if you have a Facebook page right now and you're able to get a lot of views, even if you don't have a large following, this can definitely help you make some additional income for your Facebook page. Now, keep in mind that you will only get a notification, an invitation to Reels Play if you have a Facebook page that's already getting a lot of views with Facebook Reels. So here's a little bit more information about the Reels Play bonus program. And as you can see, The Reels Play bonus program is an invitation only program. So there's really nothing that you can do, but the way to increase your chances of getting invited is by start uploading Facebook Reels and getting a lot of views. And basically, if you qualify, Facebook will send you a notification. And like I said, you can find whether or not you qualify for any bonuses by going to your Creator Studio, monetization, and then bonuses. So bonuses run for 30 days at a time. So that means that bonuses, if you take advantage of it, it will last for only 30 days. So if you don't take advantage of it, then you lost that opportunity and you have to wait till you get another invitation to another bonus program. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. Once you have received this notification on your Facebook page, you can go ahead and start uploading as many reels as you can, getting as many views as you can. And the more views you get, the more money you'll be able to make. Now, this is not an ongoing monthly thing. So that means you might qualify for a bonus program 1 month, but it doesn't really guarantee that you'll be able to qualify the following month. Like I said, there's no specific monetization feature for Facebook Reels right now, which I know is going to change over the next few months. Facebook might be creating a specific monetization option just for Facebook Reels. And so if you want to stay updated with everything in regards to Facebook monetization, social media monetization, making money online, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every single week and we talk about launching online businesses, making more money with social media. So if you enjoy content like that, hit the subscribe button below. And so with that said, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. A lot of you guys messaged me on Instagram asking me about the Facebook Reels bonuses and how they work. And hopefully I have answered your question in this video. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button below. It's really gonna help me out. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.